And we're golden, eh? Hello, I'm Devin.
I'm Jordan.
Check out the new haircut.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Today, as you can see, it's been actually a week. I start up with my old job, so Sundays and Saturdays are the only days I'm able to do this.
So, new job, or new/old job, new hours, new type of food. We're going to Liquid.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We got some strawberry marble slab ice cream.
With bananas.
With bananas and milk. I mean, it's gonna taste good, I think, but I don't know. Maybe it'll bring back memories of that milk chug that I won.
Oh, what do you remind me?
Right? Alright, well, when I'm done smiling here, so I can actually drink.
Okay. Ready? 3. Hey. 2, 1, go.
It's curdled. It is definitely curdled. That is like chunky as fuck. He wins. Great milkshake, man.
Don't do that.
It's all chunky though.
Oh, that kind of sucks.
Looks like I just barfed in a cup and just started to drink it.
Yeah, I almost barfed again because he made me laugh.
Look at that. Oh, it's chunky. Yes, we understand it's empty.
I think I win. You know, that was the tiebreaker then. It is 4-3 Jennings. Are we doing like the best of 13 here, or?
I don't care. We'll just keep going until viewers say, "Hey, stop putting up eating contests. We hate you."
Well, we've already got that, but you know,
need to do Numa Numa.
we've already done. We've already been told we suck, but you know, we like doing it anyways.
Do we actually?
Yes.
We actually got a hater.
Yeah.
Hater is our motivation.
Makes us do this.
People that hate us make us stronger.
This is a really quick video, but this is brought to you by DJ Chuggy's Lot. I'm Jordan.
Oh, what? Oh, I'm Devin.
And peace out.